Sometimes you want to add a symmetrical constraint in FreeCAD. But then a frustrating thing appears, the redundant constraint error. This video will show you the solution. To simulate this, create a new sketch in the Part Design workbench and select a plane to sketch on. It doesn't matter which one. Then select the Line tool. Draw a line with its center approximately on the horizontal or vertical axis. Enter a length of 30 millimeters, for example. Press Tab, enter an angle of -90 degrees to create a vertical line, and press Enter to apply. Click the right mouse button to exit the Line tool. Now click on the two endpoints to select them. Then click on the axis on which the line is drawn. And add a symmetric constraint with this button. The line turns orange because there are redundant constraints. One solution is to click on this number and press Delete to remove the redundant vertical constraint. But a better solution is this. Click the Undo button twice. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. Expand the menu if necessary. And click on this button in the Constraints menu. Then check the Auto Remove Redundant Constraints box. Make sure it's checked. Now click on the two endpoints again to select them. And click on the axis on which the line is drawn. Add a symmetric constraint, and you see it will not turn orange. Only 1 degree of freedom is left. You can click here to see which one that is. Both endpoints are highlighted. Click on the Dimension tool button, and you see the redundant constraints error appears again. Click the Undo button once, and select the Dimension tool again. Click on one vertex and drag the mouse in the right direction. Click, enter a value and press Enter to apply the dimension. Now you see the line turns green because it's fully constrained. So a simple checkbox can save you a lot of frustrations. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.